Hello all. This is about how to uh, use the window handler for closing all the child windows and grandchild windows by keeping only the parent windows. So what are the syntax or the instructions we have to use for that? So this program is regarding that. So first we have to open a web driver, that is an app, an application by using the Chrome driver. So for that we have to use system.setProperty webdriver.chrome driver and in the path. So I have used the copy path which is extracted from the um, driver which we have installed, downloaded. So now next one is the web driver space driver is equal to new Chrome driver. So these two lines are for importing the Chrome driver with the Selenium which we are going to work out. And then what is the application? So the home page we have to check for. So this is the home page. So this is the home page I have taken, and my aim is here. My objective is to click this window and then to click. So first one is to click this window, new separate window, and then to click this window. And when I click this, this particular page will be opened. So this is the child window, and the output must be closing this particular Selenium window. This window has to be closed automatically and the parent window must be available. So I'm going to check with the so only this window must be available. So I have taken URL of this and now I'm closing it as because so this is the output I need. Only the parent window has to be displayed and the child window has to be closed automatically. So how I should what are the instructions I have to give for that? So now I had copied for this URL. So for this I have given driver.get in bracket. I have given this copy this URL and I have given it. And then so now I will close it. So here I have copied the XPath for this new separate windows and the XPath for this click windows. So this I have copied and I have pasted in my program. So I will close this application so that we can verify the output whether we are receiving it properly or not. So now driver.get here the application I have pasted and then I have used manage.window.maximize for maximizing the window. And now I need a parent window and a child window. So I'm using So I'm using a parent window called string p is equal to driver dot get window handle. So here as I'm going to handle only one window, I'm using window handle. And then I have copied the XPath for the new separate window, which in which the separate icon which is present at the left hand side. So I have taken the XPath for that. And then the separate window which is present already inside the parent window in that the click option was available. So for that also I have taken the XPath. So now I have pasted the XPath for this by using find element. So now I have used a find element for pasting this XPath because even I used class and ID. So it has already two parts in that. So I have used the XPath here. And now these two I have given thread sleep as because I'm going to close the child window. So if the child window is going to be closed, it may happen at a very fast manner. So to slow down the process, I have used thread.sleep 4000. And then now I have to go for this child window. Now how I'm going to open it? Set string child is equal to, so this is the name I have given for the separate window which is going to be opened from the first window, which is equal to driver dot get window handles. Now I'm using window handles because I'm going to handle two windows. One is the parent window and the child window. So now I'm using set string child is equal to driver dot get window handles. And why I'm going to use a set is has to be started from the initial to the last with all the parameters included. So as because it is initiated from the zero to the last with including all the parameters, then I have to go for the for loop. So for each loop I'm using. So for string e colon child, because the last window which I'm going to open is the child window. So therefore the final value is child, and I'm giving the loop name as e. String E is initiated. And now I have to check whether it is equating the parent window only or any other windows are there. So I have to check for here if the value, the for loop is equaling the parent window. If it is not equal the parent window, then all the windows can be closed. Only the parent window has to be kept aside, and other than the parent window, all the windows can be closed. So this is the instruction, the meaning of the instruction. So now here I'm giving if condition. If not the parent window which is present in the string, then what happens? Switch to the window, switch to the window E, and from the top window, from the P to child window, that is from the parent window to the child. If in case there is a grandchild is present, to that also it will be moving. So if the final value must be a grandchild if another window is opened. So here I have given only two windows. One is parent and then another one is child. So I need to give only child. So now here this loop starts from the parent and it goes to the child, and now compares whether any other any other windows is present other than parent window. So now if any other windows is present other than parent window, it switches to that particular window and then it closes it. So switch to window E. So again it goes to that particular window and then it closes. So this is the instruction we are giving. So now let us check for the output. So here what should happen is it has to open this demo automating testing in Windows, and then in that it has to show the new separate window, and the click operation must be opening. Then the child window as Selenium it should open and it should be closed. So this has to happen. So let us check whether we are getting the same output or not. So now here the window is getting opened. It is maximized. Now it is gone to new separate windows. It is also clicked. That's why there's a child window is opening. And as because we have given the thread dot sleep 4000, so it has stayed for a while and then it got closed. So this is the operation which we have seen for this um, session. So here, the thing is, we have started from the window, from the parent window, and we have seen the syntax to switch the window, and we have seen what is the syntax for finding the element and how to switch back to the original page from the home. So this is what we have seen. So we have seen some original page of Selenium, and for the home page also we have shifted what they have seen today. Thank you.